Good morning, my dear students. Today we start our second physics, and in this book, today we start a new chapter, new unit. Okay, our unit number 6, which is optics. In this unit, and this unit consists two chapters. First is ray optics, and another one is wave optics. Okay, today we start our chapter number 11, which is ray optics. This unit is related to light. So firstly we discuss about light. What is light? Light is a form of energy. Simply we define light. Light is a form of energy. Okay, and this light falls on the objects. Suppose this is object, and when the light falls on this object, then we see the object. Okay, so we can say light is a form of energy. Okay, velocity of light remains same in a uniform medium. Okay, suppose we have a uniform medium, then in this medium velocity of light remains same, and this light moves in a straight line, and this straight line called ray of light. Okay, again we say a light can be considered to travel from one point to another point along this straight line. Okay, this straight line, the path, this straight line is called a ray, and a bundle of such rays is equal to beam of light. Is equal to beam of a light. This is some introduction. Due to this light, we see some effects. First is reflection. Next is refraction. Dispersion of light and interference. And another one is diffraction and polarization. These are some effects due to light. Okay. Now, first we learn reflection of light. First topic is reflection of a light. This is very simple. Okay, and this topic you studied in our previous classes. What is reflection of light? Suppose this is a plane surface. Okay, when this is a normal and as this is plane surface, when a ray of light traveling in one medium falls on a surface. Suppose this is a ray of light incident on this surface, then this ray of light returns back to the same medium. Then this phenomena is called reflection of light, means in this direction. Again repeat, when a ray of light traveling in one medium falls on the surface of a second medium, and this is second medium, and returns back to the same medium, means first medium, then this phenomena is called reflection of a light. Okay, this is incident ray, and this ray is reflected ray. This phenomena is reflection of a light. This is very simple. Now, an important thing is In a uniform medium, velocity of light remains same. Okay, remember this thing. In a uniform or in a same medium, the velocity of light remains same. Okay, now some laws of reflection of light. This is very important. So first is the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal. At the point of incident, this point, all are lies in the same plane. All are lies in same plane. Suppose xy plane, yz, and zx. Okay, again repeat. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and this normal. At this point, this is the normal at this point of the incidence, all are lies in the same plane. Okay, second is incident angle. Suppose this is incident angle I and this is reflected angle R. Okay, so we can say second law is the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. It means the incident angle I is equal to reflected angle R. Okay, this is very important. And another one is third is these two are very important and this is normal. This is frequency, wavelength, and velocity of a incident ray and reflected ray remains same, but intensity of reflected ray can be changed. Okay students, this is third law of a reflection of a light. This is very important. Okay, so reflection of light, this phenomena. Next is image. What is image? Suppose this is an object, okay, and two or more than two ray of a light emitted from this object, and these rays after the reflection or refraction, meets at a point, or we can say they are actually meet or appears to meet after the reflection or refraction. Okay, so at this point an object can be seen virtually, and this is known as image. Okay, this is two types. First is real image. So first is real image and second is virtual image. Okay, this real image, when the rays actually meet after the refraction or reflection, then at this point a real image makes. Okay, this real image always erect and inverted. This real image is inverted. Okay, and this is real. Next is virtually, means the reflected rays of light appears to meet at a point, then at this point a virtual image is obtained. Okay, and this is erect. These are the images. Okay, now our next topic is image formation. Next is image formation by plane mirror. What is plane mirror? A simple glass which is polished at one sided, then this is a plane mirror. ओके, डेली यूज में अपन इसको यूज करते हैं, तो प्लेन मिरर, इससे अपन इमेज फॉर्मेशन बना रहे हैं. देन सपोज वी हैव ए प्लेन मिरर, दिस इज ए प्लेन मिरर एंड दिस इज ए नॉर्मल of this plane mirror. Okay, and we can say this is a surface and a object, this is object a b at placed front of the mirror. Then in this situation, here two rays are emitted from this object. First is parallel to axis and second is at eye angle with the normal. Okay, these are the incident rays. Now these rays are virtually seen comes from this point. Okay, after the reflection, this ray reflect at the same way, and this ray at the same angle, this is R, this is reflected ray. Okay, मीन्स ये यहाँ से इस पे इंसिडेंट होगी तो रिफ्लेक्ट होगी सेम वे पे, बिकॉज ऑफ ये परपेंडिकुलरली क्या है, इंसिडेंट है, और ये R एंगल पे रिफ्लेक्ट होगी. ये दोनों रेज आगे यहाँ पे मैच नहीं होंगी, देन अपने को ऐसा फील होगा, ऐसा वर्चुअली लगेगा कि ये दोनों पीछे से आ रही हैं. देन इस कंडीशन में इस पॉइंट पे एक वर्चुअली ऑब्जेक्ट फील होगा, वर्चुअली ऑब्जेक्ट दिखाई देगा, यही इमेज है. ओके, सो फ्रॉम द प्लेन मिरर ए इमेज, वी गेट ए इमेज, वर्चुअल इमेज. Okay, and the same size of the object, you can easily see that the size of this image is same of the object. Okay, this is the image formation of a plane mirror. Now some important points of this image formation of a plane mirror. Okay, first point is the size of the image. The size of the image is same as the object. Here size remains same. Okay, so we can say the size of the image is equal to the size of the object. Okay, second is the distance of the image from this mirror. This is the mirror and this is object, this is image. Okay, this is object and this is image. Then the distance of the image from the mirror is the same as that of the object of the mirror. It means the distance of the mirror, distance of the image from the mirror is equal to the distance of the object from the mirror. Means distance remains same, equal or same. Third point, to get the image of same size, of the object, then for this the length of the mirror should be half of the length of the object. Okay, it means अगर आपको इमेज है वो कंप्लीट मिरर में देखना है, देन उस कंडीशन में जो साइज ऑफ मिरर है, साइज ऑफ मिरर वो नेसेसरी है, क्या है कि शुड बी हाफ ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. मीन्स जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसकी लेंथ सपोज दैट एल है एंड स्मॉल एल इज द लेंथ ऑफ मिरर, देन दिस इज नेसेसरी रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द फुल साइज ऑफ द इमेज इज इक्वल्स टू एल बाई 2. ओके, मीन्स ये कंडीशंस अप्लाई होनी चाहिए, देन इसी कंडीशन में आपको इसकी लेंथ हाफ होगी, तभी आपको इमेज कंप्लीट दिखाई देगी. क्लियर है? मीन्स लेंथ ऑफ द मिरर इज इक्वल्स टू लेंथ ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट अपॉन 2. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज if the object is moving towards the mirror or away from the mirror with velocity v. Okay, if the object is moving towards the mirror or away from the mirror is velocity with velocity v, then in this situation image will move towards the mirror or away the mirror with velocity 2v. It means the velocity of image is twice time of the velocity of a object. Clear? Again repeat. if ये ऑब्जेक्ट v वेलोसिटी से मिरर की तरफ आ रहा है या मिरर से दूर जा रहा है, देन इस कंडीशन में जो इमेज है वो इमेज 2v वेलोसिटी से इसकी तरफ आएगा या इससे दूर जाएगा. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज, सपोज दैट दिस इज ए प्लेन मिरर. Okay, and for any incident ray, suppose this is a incident ray and this is reflected ray. This is reflected, this is incident. Okay, then if we rotate the plane mirror with theta angle, this is plane mirror, this is the mirror, this is incident ray, and this is a reflected ray. Okay, suppose if we rotate this mirror is rotated with theta angle like this. This is the final position of this mirror, means this angle is theta. Then in this situation the reflected ray rotates with angle 2 theta. This is very important. It means this is the reflected ray and this is rotates with the 2 theta angle. Okay, again repeat. For any incident ray, if mirror is rotated with the theta angle, then reflected ray rotates with angle 2 theta. Okay, next is very important for our competition examination. If two planes mirror are inclined at theta angle, मीन्स यहाँ पे दो प्लेन मिरर हैं समतल दर्पण, अगर आपके पास थीटा एंगल पे रखे हुए हैं कुछ इस टाइप से, दिस इज मिरर फर्स्ट एंड दिस इज मिरर सेकेंड, देन इन दिस सिचुएशन नंबर ऑफ इमेजेस formed by the plane mirrors, okay, will be two types. First is, if the number of image is n, means if 360 upon theta is equals to, is 360 theta is equals to even integer, then in this situation number of images is equals to 360 upon theta minus 1. Number of images is equals to 360 upon theta minus 1. Suppose that the angle between the angles is 60 degree, then in this situation 360 upon 60 is equals to 6. This is the even integer. Then in this situation number of images n is equals to 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. Okay, this is one condition. Second condition is, if 360 upon theta is equals to odd integer. Okay, in this condition here again two conditions. First is, if object is placed symmetrically, means in this condition, suppose this is object, then in this condition if this object is placed symmetrically, then the angle, this angle is theta by 2 and this angle is theta by 2, means angle makes with the both mirrors are same. Then in this situation number of images n is equals to 360 upon theta minus 1. And another condition is, if object is placed asymmetrically, then in this situation the both angles are different, means this is suppose theta 1 and this is suppose theta 2, these are different. Then in this situation number of images n is equals to 360 upon theta. Okay, and a very important thing is, if nothing is mentioned, object is considered symmetrically placed. ओके, मीन्स अगर आपको ये नहीं पता कि सिमेट्रिकली या एसिमेट्रिकली, देन उस कंडीशन में अपन उसको सिमेट्रिकली कंसिडर करेंगे और नंबर ऑफ इमेजेस होंगे n इज इक्वल्स टू 360 अपॉन थीटा माइनस 1. सपोज थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 72 डिग्री, देन इन दिस सिचुएशन 360 upon 72 is equals to 5. Okay, but here not mentioned that the object is symmetrically or asymmetrically. Then in this situation we consider this is symmetrically. Then in this situation 360 minus 1 means 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Okay, suppose theta is equals to 40 degree. Then again in this situation 360 upon 40 is equals to 9. But again here not mentioned this object is symmetrically or asymmetrically. Then again in this situation number of images is equals to minus 1. So this is 8. Okay, so this is the some important points of the plane image formation of a plane mirror. Okay, this chapter is very interesting, so carefully listen, understand and remember it. Okay students, our next topic spherical mirrors, and this we discuss in our next video, next class. Okay students, and if you like this video, then like it and share it. Thank you.